we've got HearClear's top 10 reasons to get your hearing tested today. Number 10. First off, it's free. You can get a free hearing test with a trained audiologist. 9. You can also get a free trial, with many of our partners lasting from 2 weeks to a month. 8. Another bonus. Some of our partners also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, you can get a full refund. 7. Worried about repairs? No need. Our partners offer lifelong aftercare for your hearing aid. 6. If you book your hearing aid appointment through HearClear by clicking the blue button below, you could also get up to 4 years warranty cover for your purchase. Still on the fence? Not all benefits of hearing aids are financial. 5. Studies show that getting a hearing aid could take your career to the next level. 4. Live better. 9 out of 10 patients who choose to improve their hearing with a hearing aid report significant improvements in their quality of life. 3. Ringing or buzzing in your ears? Hearing aids can help reduce tinnitus and let you focus on your family. 2. Modern hearing aids are incredibly advanced. They're more comfortable and easier to use than ever. Last but not least, 1. For HearClear, the biggest benefit of getting your hearing tested is finally understanding how great your hearing could be. Never miss out on a conversation again. Today's hearing aids are practically invisible, meaning you can live the life you want to live in style. HearClear is waiting to put you in touch with expert hearing aid specialists. Visit HearClear today by clicking below to book your free appointment.